Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dahi of milk. First, select good quality full-fat milk for a rich, creamy result. Pour the milk into a clean pot and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Stir occasionally to prevent scorching. Once it boils, remove it from the heat and let it cool down. The ideal temperature for the next step is around 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which is warm to the touch but not hot. Once your milk has cooled to the perfect temperature, it's time to add the starter culture. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh, plain Dahi or yogurt. Make sure this starter is at room temperature for optimal results. Gently whisk the starter into the warm milk until it is well combined. This small amount of Dahi contains the beneficial bacteria needed to transform your milk. Now carefully pour the milk and starter mixture into a clean, dry container. Cover it loosely with a lid or a plate. Find a warm, undisturbed spot in your kitchen for incubation. This could be inside a turned-off oven with the light on, or simply a warm corner. Let it sit for 4 to 8 hours, or until it sets firm. The exact time depends on your room temperature. Once your Dahi has set beautifully, it's crucial to refrigerate it. Place the container in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This chilling process not only helps the Dahi firm up further, but also enhances its flavor and stops the fermentation. Your homemade Dahi is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it plain, with fruit, or use it in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.